Hi there, my name is Bianca Gonzalez and I'm a Bullying Prevention Program Coordinator with ABI, and I just wanted to do this quick tutorial to show you how easy it is to take advantage of our virtual kindness resources that we are offering. So this is actually our main website, www.rmccharity.org, and as you can see, all of our foundation's programming is provided here. But if you are a student, parent, educator, or just anyone seeking further information regarding bullying prevention, what you'll need to do is just click on the second tab right here where it notes bullying prevention. And this will take you to, it seems like a website within our main website. And if you scroll down, it will just give you further information regarding our programming, what we're currently offering, as well as how to contact us if you need any further information as well. So just go ahead and scroll back up, and you want to go to where it notes kindness events and activities. Go ahead and click on this first tab. And you'll see here that it will show you our virtual kindness and shout out cards. So these are just great ways to spread kindness virtually, as well as if you're looking to physically share these, you can do that as well because there's an option to download them. So if you click here, it will take you to the PDF version. You're able to print these out. You can download them, send them as an email. You can screenshot them, share them on your social media, and add text on them. The opportunities are endless of how you want to be creative in sharing these. So we just share some examples here on how you can share these with a friend, teacher, a family member. You can even shout out local grocery stores, our frontline workers, even local restaurants that are currently opening up and just giving them that pick-me-up. Or if you just want to shout out your favorite restaurant, I'm pretty sure that will make their day in the biggest way. We also have the option of printing out our pre-filled templates. So you just click here, and you'll see all of our kindness cards that have literally so many different kind, positive sayings on them, where you're able to print them out and just share them however you would like. So I hope this was helpful. We also are on social media, so anything that you're sharing online, please feel free to tag us so we can just share your wonderful acts of kindness and just show how easy it is to create this domino effect of just spreading positivity, whether it's online or in person. So I hope this was helpful. Please stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you.